Do you want to free up some storage by getting rid of apps you rarely use? You can archive an app directly from its app info, but Device Care gives you a list of your unused apps in one place, so you can manage several of them at once. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care. Tap Storage. Under the Suggestion section, you might see Archive Apps. You can tap it. Alternatively, you can also scroll to the bottom, then tap Unused App. Here, you will see the apps that you haven't used recently. Now, select the apps you want to manage. At the bottom, you will see Archive or Uninstall. Choose Archive to remove the app while keeping it available to restore later, or choose Uninstall if you want to completely remove the app. Keep in mind that some apps can only be uninstalled and don't offer the archive option. For this example, let's choose Archive, then tap Archive on the pop-up to continue the process. As a note, archiving is useful when you don't use an app regularly but might want to use it again later. If you don't need an app anymore, you can choose Uninstall instead. And that's how to manage your unused app and archive them from Device Care on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.